Welcome to Qiggz. In this video, we'll learn how to post a team gig step by step. Now that you've joined Team Builder, let's post your first team gig on Qiggz. From your poster dashboard, click the drop-down icon on the right and select Post Team Builder. You'll see a form to post a new team gig. Start by entering the title. This should describe your team gig clearly. Next, add the project description, where you can provide more details about the job. Then, move to the Skills section. You can type skill names manually or select them from the drop-down list. You can add up to 5 skills per gig. Now, choose the location. Click Get Current Location or manually type and select your city. Next, set the start date and time using the small calendar icon. After that, specify the duration, the number of days and hours needed to complete the job. Then, it's time to set the budget. Choose whether it's a fixed price or hourly rate and enter the minimum and maximum amount. Finally, mention how many team members you need for this job. Double-check your details, and once everything looks good, click Continue. Congratulations! You've successfully posted your first team gig on Qiggz.